Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to integrate your WooCommerce store with WooCommerce subscriptions. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website if you have not already, if this is the platform you're using for WooCommerce. But basically WordPress is the most often used platform for WooCommerce, and from here you can get started setting up your store. So if you have already set up your store, this is going to be your homepage. If not, just go into the plugin section right here at the left side of the screen and open up plugins, from where you can get started finding all the WooCommerce subscriptions apps that you need to use to go and set up your store. So you can use the search bar right here at the top of the screen, search for WooCommerce and find all the plugins that you need to go ahead and set up your store, and that is how it's done. So once you've done that, now we can go and use WooCommerce subscriptions. As you can see, also one of the options that we're going to see in the results page is WooCommerce subscriptions that you can go ahead and purchase and activate. So what you're going to do is click the purchase option right here. This is going to enable you to purchase the WooCommerce subscriptions plugin and add it to your plugins. So once you've done that, once you purchased it and added it to your store, you're going to go and be able to find it in your plugins right here and access your bought plugins, and from there you can get started setting up your WooCommerce subscriptions, edit all the info, set it up with your store, and once you've done that, it's going to be applied to your store. And once people go ahead and open up your WooCommerce store, they are going to go and be able to take a look at the subscriptions you're offering with the plugin. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.